Friends, hello everyone. This is a special edition of Big Dodo Call straight from Dubai. Today we will talk about the fact that we have a new partner. This is a historic event. Let's take a tour of our new pizzeria, which features a new design and concept. I'll tell you a few words about what's new in this concept. For that, we'll need to step outside. The sign of our pizzeria is quite unusual. For the first time, we created a huge media board for which the Middle East marketing team prepared a special 3D animation. It looks incredibly beautiful. When you're riding in a taxi, there's a roundabout here, you're driving, and you can't help but notice the pizzeria. And in the evening, it just lights up the way, working like a huge flashlight. It looks very cool and attractive. It's simply impossible to pass by Dodo. In this pizzeria, we followed radical transparency and removed the dining area and kitchen separation. There is no standard option to order through a cashier here, but if someone really wants to order through a cashier, they can do so through the manager. However, the standard way to order in this pizzeria is through the kiosk and the app. What's new in this pizzeria are the promo boards. Promo boards will now be in every pizzeria. And how did we even come up with the idea of promo boards? We really wanted, when a person enters the pizzeria, for them to feel the vibe of Dodo Pizza. And that's why we use these mediums in order to effectively and efficiently tell some interesting, brand-related and compelling stories. Here we don't talk about prices, we show the product in a very beautiful way. Since we put a lot of effort into the product, Spartak has developed a huge number of new, very delicious pizzas. We showcased the Dodo special here. We also showed our pepperoni, double pepperoni. You can, I don't know, see it now or not, but at some point you can see the pepperonis baking and curling up a bit. This footage is straight from the oven. We filmed our butter chicken, also a very beautiful pizza, one of the top sellers. And of course, cream cheese pizza. That's my favorite pizza. When you come to Dubai, you absolutely must try it. I think you will remember it and fall in love with it too. Continuing the topic about white, it seems that even better than the promo board, the mural sets the tone for the white pizzeria. A mural is a unique illustration that tells a whole story about the simple everyday life of a person in Dubai. Here you can see people of different nationalities in various contexts, and it seems that this really coolly integrates the Dodo brand, and maybe at some point, these illustrations will start to be associated with us as a brand.